इतिहास लौट कर आएगा, भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा, केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा, केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा।
लोग कहते हैं बदलता है जमाना सबको, केवीएन वो है जो बदलता है जमाने को, केवीएन वो है जो बदलता है जमाने को। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, ऑनरेबल प्रिंसिपल सर, माय एस्टीम्ड कॉलीग एंड डियर स्टूडेंट्स। सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पर हमारे प्राचार्य महोदय का अभिनंदन करती हूँ, जिनकी उपस्थिति हमारे लिए अक्षय ऊर्जा का स्रोत है, एक अक्षय ऊर्जा का स्रोत है। साथ ही साथ यहाँ उपस्थित शिक्षकगण, बच्चे जिन्होंने अपनी गरिमामयी उपस्थिति से हमें गौरवान्वित किया है। 1963 में 20 रेजिमेंटल विद्यालय से शुरू हुआ ये सफर आज 1245 विद्यालय का विशाल श्रृंखला के रूप में परिवर्तित हो चुका है, जहां 13 लाख से भी अधिक छात्र शिक्षा ग्रहण कर रहे हैं। तो इन बच्चों का तथा इन विद्यालयों का जो योगदान है हमारे समाज के प्रति, वो हम सभी विषय उसके बारे में हम जानते हैं। उसी प्रकार हमारे विद्यालय का इस सफलता अभियान में क्या योगदान है, उसके बारे में बताने के लिए मैं यहाँ पर हमारे प्रज्ञा मैम को निमंत्रित करते हैं इस मंच पर। वो हमारे KV2 के सफलता के बारे में आप सभी को अवगत कराएं। प्रज्ञा मैम।
A warm good morning to all of you. Esteemed Principal Sir, most revered Sri T.K. Swain Sir, my learned colleagues and dear children. First of all, I would like to wish each and everyone a happy KVS Foundation Day to all of you. We are proud that today we are standing in KV. All of you know that entering into KV is a dream for many children. They are dreaming to enter into KV, and you all are lucky enough to be the part and parcel of KVS. So first of all, I would like to thank my dear children, those who have performed well in this function that we are celebrating the KVS Foundation Day. And I would also like to thank Madam Trupti Mahanta, who has given me a chance to tell about this institution, our KV number 2 Cuttack. Dear children, all of you know that the full form of KVS is Kendriya Vidyalay Sangathan, and there are 1248 schools are running all over India as well as abroad. Foreign countries, Moscow, Tehran, Kathmandu. Okay, so let us know more about our Vidyalaya, and it's a proud privilege that I am going to read out some of the achievements of our students. Last year, Master Jyotish Ranjan Das, who has secured 98.4%, and he stood first in our Vidyalaya. So I would like to urge all of you to give a huge round of applause for Jyotish Ranjan Das. At the same time, I would also expect much more than this achievement from all of you, and I wish best of luck to the students of class 10 to break the record and create a history in the Vidyalaya. Next is, last year there was Fit India School Week program 2020-21, and out of 1,556 participants, our Vidyalaya has got the first position and received a certificate as well as cash award of 1,000 on 13th April 2021. Give a huge round of applause. And it was a teamwork, dear children. All of you have participated. The teachers have also boosted up your fitness And I would also like to thank our Honorable Principal Sir for his timely action and planning. So for that reason only we have got this first position among 1,556 schools. Next is our Cups and Bulbuls, the tiny dots of our Vidyalaya. Master Subhasis Raut, Tirthankar Nath, Jyotiraditya Sen, Pratik Kumar Jena, Angel Sahu, Amrita Das, Ananya Dhanulia, Radhika Sethi. These 8 Cups and Bulbul, they have got Hirak Pankh, Chaturth Charan, they have passed successfully and got Hirak Pankh. So congratulations to these children. Next is 2 Bulbuls of our Vidyalaya. They have got 1000 cash award for their Golden Arrow Award, and those students are Itisri Karo and Svetlina Bhuya. Give a big round of applause for them. You know, dear children, every year there is Inspire Manak Award, and last year 2 students, Miss Priyanka Mishra and Divya Datta Parija of class 9, they have got that award, and in regard they have also received 10,000 case award each. Master Divya Datta Parija of class 9 and Priyanka Mishra of class 8. And we also dream that every year each child will try for this award and may receive 1 or 2 case award as well as the certificate from this Manak award, that is Inspire award. This is a national wide competition, so it is a prestigious competition, dear children. Try to be an awardee of this type of competition. Next is Master Prag Ranjan Sahu and Master Om Datta. They have qualified NTSE first round, and Master Prag Ranjan Sahu has also qualified the second round NTSE exam. And this is a great achievement, dear children. NTSE exam is also a national talent search examination. So these students have cleared, qualified. So give a huge round of applause for them also. Next is our achievement in Scout and Guides. That was Cups and Bulbuls, small children, and this is for secondary students. They have passed Tritiya Sopan. Scouts Abhijit Naik, Ritesh Prasad Sahu of class 8, Pratik Behera of class 9, Rudra Kalyan Mahapatra class 9, Joy Prasad Das class 9. Last year, that's why they are now in class 10. But last year they were in class 9. And Guides Vaishnavi Raut, Somya Priyadasini, Pallavi. Do you know, dear children, when this school was established? Yes? 50? This Vidyalaya. I am talking about Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Cuttack. Yes, beta? 52. This Vidyalaya. I am talking about Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2. Not KVS. Yes, Sanvi?
2012.
No, you are nearer to the answer.
2011.
No. Very good. It was 2010. Okay. Date? Can anybody tell which date? It was the year? Date? So it was the month of August, 25th August 2010. Okay. Who was the then collector at that time? No idea? It was Sri Kishore Kumar Mahanti, the collector, and the district magistrate was Sri Jyoti Prakash Das, IS, director of government press. With their hands, it was established. Okay, so we should always remember that our school was established on 2010. Okay, so let us highlighting some of the points of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Cuttack. Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Cuttack is a renowned institution in the Silver City with a dream smile that reflects the desire to excel, explore, experiment and innovate. And somehow or other we are achieving the targets. Our dream is getting fulfilled because the academic result of this Vidyalaya is satisfactory. That's why we are dreaming and dreaming through you only. And I hope all of you will raised the flagship of Kendra Vidyalaya number 2 Cuttack and took this flag to a greater height in the future also. That's all I want to say all about. Thank you. Jai Hind.
धन्यवाद मैम। बहुत सुंदर हमारे विद्यालय की जो सफलताएं, इस केबीएस में जो योगदान है उसके बारे में हमें जानकारी देने के लिए अभी इस अप्रतिम सफलता के लिए हम सब आज इस दिन को यानी 15 दिसंबर केबीएस स्थापना दिवस को बड़े उत्साह से आज हम मनाने जा रहे हैं। इसके लिए अभी इस कार्यक्रम को शुरू करने के लिए मैं कक्षा 10वीं की जागृति तथा कक्षा 7वीं की कार्या इकबाल को मंच पर आह्वान करती हूँ कि वो कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाएं।
The past teaches us great lesson for an even more illustrious future. The present is an indispensable link between past and future. The quality of efforts and degree of commitment during this important stage will decide where we will stand in the future.
During this glorious journey of 58 years of service to society, KVS has always set new benchmarks in the field of education and has performed well in its role as a pace-setting organization. Beginning with 20 regimental schools and now having 1,245 schools dedicated to the service of the nation. For now, it's just the beginning of the celebration.
KV students are not only limited to studies. Our organization is made up of various traditions, ethics and languages and baked into a beautiful pie.
It's time to invite Priyanka Mahapatra and Purnima Kar of Standard 10 to present the glimpse of those traditional and ethical values this Sangathan carries.
Has its own grace.
Surely the truth. Coming back and remembering those magical years we have spent, the achievements, the struggles, the hardships we had done, makes us proud.
The more you describe about KVS, the more you will be honored of being a KVN. Now we will be calling Priyabrat Mahapatra to present his feelings as a KVN and to summarize up those magical years.
हमसे है केवी, केवी से है हमसे है केवी, बसती है यहाँ विद्या की देवी, बसती है यहाँ विद्या की देवी। अच्छा सबसे हमारा व्यवहार है, अच्छा सबसे हमारा व्यवहार है, यही तो केंद्र विद्यालय के संस्कार है। A warm good morning to all, honorable principal sir, respected teachers, and all my dear seniors and juniors. Wishing you a very happy KVS Foundation Day. I, Priyabrat Mahapatra of class 7, is going to deliver a speech on this auspicious day. Every year, we celebrate KVS Foundation Day on 15th December with a great enthusiasm. Kendra Vidyalaya are a system of central government in India that were instituted by Ministry of Human Resource Development. It is one of the largest chains of schools in the world. It was started in 1963 under the name Central School. Later, the name changed into Kendra Vidyalaya. So our organization has a glorious past, a dynamic and a vibrant present, and a promising future. So in this glorious journey of 58 years, our organization has set a new benchmark in the field of school education. With a humble beginning of only 20 regimental schools, today, now, we have more than 1,230 Kendra Vidyalayas in India and 3 in abroad, in Tehran, Moscow, and in Kathmandu. So some of the objectives of KVS are: first, the educational need of the children of the transferable central government employees, including defense and paramilitary personnel. Second, to pursue excellence and to set a pace in the field of school education. Third, to initiate and promote the experimentation and innovativeness in education and in collaboration with the other bodies like CBSE and NCERT. And finally, the last one, to develop the spirit of national integration and Indianness among all the children. So the beautiful aspect of STAR is in the way KVS has chosen the personalities, great personalities, to represent the houses. S stands for Subhash House. Subhash Chandra Bose was born in Cuttack, Odisha. T stands for Rabindranath Tagore, was born in West Bengal. A stands for Ashok, was born in Bihar. And finally, T stands for, R stands for C.V. Raman, was born in Tamil Nadu. So our India is covered by undiscriminately by these great personalities who belongs to 4 different regions of India. Kendra Vidyalaya is the only school who has almost faced everything. It's not just a school, it's a cluster of emotion. It's like a mini India. So if someone asks that केंद्र विद्यालय में पढ़ के आपने क्या कर लिया, if someone asks that केंद्र विद्यालय में पढ़ के आपने क्या कर लिया, then we should smile and reply. Then we should smile and reply. देख भाई, इतनी पहचान है कि बिहारी भी मिलेगा, बंगाली भी मिलेगा, बिहारी भी मिलेगा, बंगाली भी मिलेगा, प्राइवेट स्कूल का भी मिलेगा, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल का भी मिलेगा, ट्यूशन का भी मिलेगा, जान पहचान का भी मिलेगा, ट्यूशन का भी मिलेगा, जान पहचान का भी मिलेगा. ये सब मिले कि ना मिले, ये सब मिले कि ना मिले, पर हर दोस्तों के ग्रुप में एक केबियन जरूर मिलेगा, एक केबियन जरूर मिलेगा. So in this important day, I salute all those members of this great family who have contributed themselves for its rich legacy. At last, I am very proud for being an Indian and also a Kevian. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Vidyalaya is such a school which has faced almost everything. It's not just a school but a cluster of emotion for every Kevian, probably like a mini India.
KVS and Kevians are just full of hidden treasures and literature is one of those.
भारत हमेशा से एक साहित्य का देश रहा है. कविता इस साहित्य का एक अंश है.
बिल्कुल.
पर बात तब बनेगी जब बात केवी की हो, इस महोत्सव का हो. So now we would be handing over the stage to Shreyansh Mishra to present a poem.
श्रेयांश मिश्रा कक्षा 6 का छात्र, मैं आज आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ जो कि कुछ इस प्रकार है. ज्ञान की जला दी ऐसी ज्योति, ज्ञान की जला दी ऐसी ज्योति, कंकड़ से हमें बनाया मोती, कंकड़ से हमें बनाया मोती. भुलाकर सारे भेद, भुलाकर सारे भेद, एकता का देता है यह संदेश, एकता का देता है यह संदेश. कला संस्कृति परंपरा का सिखाते हैं पाठ, कला संस्कृति परंपरा का सिखाते हैं पाठ. नैतिकता का सदा कराते अभ्यास, नैतिकता का सदा कराते अभ्यास. सर्वांगीण विकास की कल्पलताएं, सर्वांगीण विकास की कल्पलताएं, पूर्ण भारत में यह लिखता है, पूर्ण भारत में यह लिखता है. सेवा ही है धर्म, इससे बढ़ाना कोई कर, सेवा ही है धर्म, इससे बढ़ाना कोई कर. बनकर हम माँ भारती के दास, बनकर हम माँ भारती के दास, रच दे इसका नया इतिहास, रच दे इसका नया इतिहास. धन्यवाद.
These are the various flavors of our organization. KV students are not only intelligent yet smart, but creative and talented too.
Let it be dance or any event, we shine bright in any course of life. Just to let you know, skit is another way to showcase how good we are in terms of acting as well. To approve this fact, the students of Standard 7th are here to present their skit.
Going to present a skit on the life before and after smartphones. First, let's see what people do after waking up before smartphones came. Wake up and brush their teeth and then pray to God.
But now they wake up and start using their smartphones.
Oh, what a change!
What about now?
Now they are using smartphones while eating and chatting with each other using smartphones only.
Before, playtime used to be the fun time for children. They used to play many different games.
But now they are playing online games and are not going out to play with their friends. No outdoor games, no physical exercise. That's really so boring. But nowadays, people are thinking that's it good for them. Then helping people in their need. Then helping people in their need was considered as moral duties. Now people are being busy with their own work and not even helping others. Let's see what happens when the boy fell down and the people don't help the boy. So, from this kit we want to conclude that everything has merit and demerit. We should use or do everything in limit. Smartphones are to make our life easier and gives us lots of convenience. But nowadays, people got addicted to smartphones and using smartphones a lot. So, we all want to say that you should use smartphones but in limit. Otherwise, it will cause too many problems for you. And you will not be able to change this habit too. So, it will be better to stay alerted from the beginning itself. In your free time, we would suggest rather than using smartphones, you should spend your time with your family members, friends and loved ones. Thank you everybody and have a nice day.
In every shade of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Our organization has a glorious past, a very dynamic yet vibrant present and a promising future.
Education isn't limited, learning isn't impossible. To give rise to our knowledge in form of a beautiful poem, we would like to call Shreyashi Das of Standard 7.
It is a feeling of love, respect, enjoyment, entertainment, full of knowledge and sweet memories. Good morning everyone, respected principal sir and my teachers and my dear friends. This is Shreyashi Das of class 7 starting over you to recite a very beautiful poem on the occasion of KB Foundation Day. Foundation Day is here again. Foundation Day is here again. All the memories are in a lane. All the memories are in a lane. The glimpse of carnival is here. The glimpse of carnival is here. Riders of swings were full of fear. Riders of swings were full of fear. Simplest food that was made. Simplest food that was made was like the cherry on the cake. Was like the cherry on the cake. Cultural program was the attraction. Cultural program was the attraction with maximum student participation. With maximum student participation. All waited for the lucky draw. All waited for the lucky draw. Waiting for the coupons to withdraw. Waiting for the coupons to withdraw. All we missed out this year. All we missed out this year. But promise it make it next year. But promise it make it next year. Thank you and have a nice day. Less than anyone, we never were. We know how to match our steps with this generation, but have a sense how to keep up with our ordination.
But we are still the generation of this 21st century. In these 58 years, we not only grew with ethics, but we did acquire the values of this modernized century. Let it be cultural events or even academics. It's high time to look at this unseen side of this organization through the girls of our school.
One teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. But things darkness. Education went from being a right to being a crime. When my world suddenly changed, my priorities changed too. I had two options. One was to remain silent and wait to be killed. And the second was to speak up and then be killed. I chose the second one. The terrorists tried to stop us. But neither their ideas nor their bullets could win. We survived. And since that day, our voices have grown louder and louder. Why is it that countries which we call strong are so powerful in creating wars but are so weak in bringing peace? Why is it that giving guns is so easy but giving books is so hard? Why is it that making tanks is so easy but building schools is so hard? We are living in the modern age and we believe that nothing is impossible. Let this be the last time that a girl or a boy spends their childhood in a factory. Let this be the last time that a girl is forced into early child marriage. Let this be the last time that a child loses life in war. Let this be the last time that we see a child out of school. Let this end with us. Let's begin this ending together, today, right here, right now.
चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे मोरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे अंधियारा है घना और लहू से सना किरणों के दिन के अंबर से चुन के अंगना में फिर आ जा रे हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए हमने तुझ पे जहां भर के जुल्म किए हमने सोचा नहीं तू जो उड़ जाएगी ये ज़मीं तेरे बिन सूनी रह जाएगी किसके दम पे सजेगा मेरा अंगना कोरी चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे
This is not a school. It's a feeling of love, respect, happiness, joy, fun, full of knowledge, entertainment, and sweet memories.
This Sangathan is not only a school, it's a feeling, an emotion, and a proud moment when someone asks you, what is your school's name?
The mini India, diverse but united, little naughty but talented. This is what KVS is.
Wrapping up today's event, without the words and blessings of our chief, under whose supervision Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 2 Cuttack is functioning, is not a fair play.
Now we would like to invite our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Dilip Kumar Tripathi, on the stage to bless all of us on this auspicious occasion. Sir, please.
सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम यहाँ पे उपस्थापन किए हमारे विद्यालय के छात्राएं। इसी कड़ी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं अभी हमारे प्यारे स्वाइन सर को इस मंच पर निवेदन करूंगी कि वो आए यहाँ पर अपने वक्तव्य रखें। स्वाइन सर।
Esteemed Principal Sir, learned colleagues, my dearest students, it's my pride privilege to share a few things on this auspicious occasion of 15th December as the foundation day of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Already we have listened many things, we have seen many things. These are all our glimpse, just a part, एक झलक जिसको बोलते हैं. But we are more than that. Our limit is always sky. We are never satisfied. This is the motto of KBS. We are never satisfied what we are. We are always trying for more. Always we want to be the best. And we have our unique identity. ये हमारा पहचान. That is the motto of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Many they have set many milestones for us. These are the small targets they have set for us. But that is not your target. Your percentage is not your target. Your world is your target. You can admire the world. You can explore many things. You can give the knowledge to the world for the betterment of this civilization. We know entire world is facing the challenges of environment. It's a big challenge. And there is no solution for this situation. Our scientists, our researchers, our scholars, they are putting their all efforts for this. We are also faced, we have all of you, all of us have faced the pandemic. And we are handicapped. So, our organization, in addition to that, all the organizations of the world, they are trying for this. National Education Policy 2020 has the aim to have the better achievement of a new India. That is the vision of our government, that there must be a new vision so that people will look at India in a different way what they are used to do earlier. So all these things are in your hands. You are the citizens. You will be the citizens in future. And definitely you will put forth these efforts. You will develop your research, develop your mind, and definitely you will work for the betterment of the civilization. If this thing will happen, then what we are talking about the pioneer organization, definitely the glory will be more glorious in future days to come. I hope, dear children, your work, your efforts, your honesty and your service to the mankind will definitely be helpful for our country, and we all will be definitely benefited by your efforts. With this, I bless you on this occasion, and we will go ahead, we will march along. You can reach Himalayas and more than that even. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.
To invite our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Dilip Kumar Tripathi, on the stage to bless all of us on this auspicious occasion.
Happy Foundation Day, dear students. 15 December is the KBS Foundation Day. Our all esteemed speakers that delivered the speeches describing the details about the KBS, its objectives. Nothing to speak more, again and again the same thing. But you know the KBS is the first organization comprising 1245 schools in India and 3 abroad. Around 13,88,889 students are at present studying in the Kendriya Vidyalayas. This is a colorful organization comprising students of the various communities, caste, creed, color. There is no disparity, no discriminations. This is the first objective of the KVS, to accommodate, to include all students without any partiality, giving them equal chances of growth to enhance their inherent talents is the objectives of the KVS. So in this foundation, the AI urges all of our students to come together, to march ahead, to innovate, to experiment, to research, to find the new things, to modify the things as per the present situation, to face the challenges. Dear students, every year the KVS is organizing this Foundation Day, saluting all the dignitaries, all the KVNs who have contributed a lot for the development of these organizations and, after all, the development of the nation. There are many students who completed their studies and they have reached to the height. They are now in the very important place and they're serving the nation. Shiksharth aiye, Shevarth jaiye. This is the motto of the KVS. KVS is such an organization, it gives a lot of chances to the girl students also. In the new education policy, the KVS is implementing, taking all the people of all the communities, including the stressing on the education of the girl children, education of the differently able children, giving them chances, participations in various activities, engaging them into different activities in different forms. So dear students, this is the day to remember the services rendered by the people who have already left the organization and who are also continuing now. You are the backbone of our organization. If you excel, then the KVS will excel. So today, in this auspicious occasion, let us promise to go ahead, to march ahead, to find the new things, to modify the things, to face the challenges, and to find the solutions. Thank you all.
It's our honor to be a part of this grand celebration of those amazing years and even years to come.
At last, we would like to thank all of the teachers and our Honorable Principal Sir for giving us this overwhelming opportunity to host this event.
Last but not least, we will hand over the mic and the stage to Dr. Trupti Mohanta.
माननीय प्राचार्य महोदय, शिक्षकगण, सभी यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी सदस्य एवं मेरे प्यारे बच्चे, मैं तृप्ति आप सभी का यहाँ पर स्वागत, वंदन तथा अभिनंदन करती हूँ जो आप सब यहाँ पर अपना उपस्थिति प्रदान किए। जैसे कि हम सभी लोग जानते हैं कि आज हमारे विद्यालय हमारे संगठन की स्थापना दिवस है, हमारे संगठन की स्थापना दिवस है और हर साल की तरह इस साल भी हम यहाँ एकत्रित हुए इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने के लिए। सर्वप्रथम मैं आप सब की यहाँ उपस्थिति के लिए आपको धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगी। प्राचार्य महोदय जी से मैं धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करती हूँ जिन्होंने अपने व्यस्त कार्यक्रम से थोड़ा समय निकालकर हमारे बीच उपस्थित रहे तथा हमारा हौसला बढ़ाया एवं अपने आशीर्वचनों से हमें अभिप्रेरित किए। आज का दिन हम सभी के लिए सम्मान एवं खुशी का दिन है। इस दिन को हम सफल बनाने के लिए योगदान देने वाले सभी छात्रों को, सभी सदस्यों को धन्यवाद देते हैं। सबसे पहले सभी शिक्षक एवं छात्र जिन्होंने हर पूरी कोशिश की इस प्रोग्राम को, इस उत्सव को सफल बनाने के लिए तथा यादगार बनाने के लिए। मेरे प्रिय छात्रगण जिन्होंने विभिन्न कार्यक्रम में यहाँ पर अपना योगदान प्रदान किया तथा उत्साह के साथ यहाँ पर अपनी प्रस्तुति दिखाई, उन बच्चों को भी मेरा धन्यवाद है जो यहाँ पे दर्शक के रूप में इतने धूप में भी बैठे रहे तथा कार्यक्रम का आनंद उठाए। अंत में मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी हमारे कार्यक्रम आयोजन टीम का, जिन्होंने मुझे ऐसा कार्यक्रम संचालन करने के लिए तथा इसका सफल प्रस्तुति के लिए सहायता प्रदान की। इसी के साथ मैं अपने वक्तव्य यहाँ पे समाप्त करती हूँ। इसी कार्यक्रम की साथ ही साथ इस कार्यक्रम की मैं यहाँ पर समाप्ति की घोषणा करती हूँ। धन्यवाद आप सभी का। आपका दिन शुभ हो।